Are you struggling with pain in your heels? If you are, I'm going to give you a few tips to try and help you reduce that pain. The first thing you need to do is to reduce your activity. So rest the foot as much as you possibly can. Alter your activities to do different things. For example, if you enjoy running, try cycling for a little bit to take the pressure off the heel. Don't walk as far with the dog. Reduce the amount of walking that you're doing, and therefore by resting the area it'll help recover quicker. The second thing you need to look at is your footwear. Footwear is the key to resolving this problem. Look at the type of shoes you're wearing. Don't go barefoot or wear slippers around the house. Go for some cushioning shoes with some support. Trainers, for example, are ideal. Any supportive trainer will do. You don't need to spend a lot of money on a pair of trainers, but you do need something which is a flat bed and something that is contoured and doesn't have a complete flat surface. Notice the trainer will have a slight heel raise as well, so there'll be a difference between the back of the trainer and the front. You need to make sure inside as well it is contoured so it provides you with some sort of arch support. When you're looking for a trainer, you need to look for something that's flexible and not too rigid. If it is rigid, especially in this area, then you're going to be putting more tension on the plantar fascia and also on the Achilles tendon, which we're going to show you how to stretch out later. It also can't be too flexible, because if it is, it won't provide you with any support. So something that you can move, that's flexible, but you can't scrunch up into a ball. Tip 3. Purchase yourself a pair of gel heel cups. Make sure they're good quality and thick, and the gel doesn't move out the way when you stand on it. You can wear the gel heel cups on top of your insole, or with most trainers you can lift the insole up and put the gel heel cups underneath them. You can also wear them in other shoes. We stock these gel heel cups in clinic, but they're also available online from Simply Feet. Tip 4. Ice massage. This is really great for reducing the pain, especially in the morning. Get yourself a drinks bottle. One of the contoured ones are brilliant. Drink or empty the contents and then fill it 3/4 full with water. Pop it in the freezer until you've got an ice roll. Then you can roll your foot on the ice bottle, paying special attention to the heel and underneath the arch. I do this for about 10 to 15 minutes, 2 or 3 times a night. And it's also useful to do if you've been on your feet a lot, especially after a long walk, or if you've been out and for the day shopping, etc. Tip 5. Stretching the calf muscle. Do this stretch 3 times a day if you can. So morning, midday, and then in the evening. You need to hold the stretch for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. Concentrate on the leg you have the heel pain in if it's just one heel, but you also need to stretch the other leg out too. The position you need to be in, support yourself using a wall or a work surface. Take a step back with the foot where you have the heel pain. Bend the front knee and keep the back knee straight. Keep both heels on the floor and make sure both feet are pointing forward. Hold this stretch for 30 seconds if you can. During the stretch, you should feel a gentle pull. It shouldn't be painful. From my clinical experience, I've found that stretch boards stretch the calf far more effectively than doing the standing stretch. Stand on the stretch board 3 times a day if possible for 2 minutes, morning, midday and evening. You could stand on the stretch board while you're actually doing something else. for example, cleaning your teeth. You clean your teeth for 2 minutes, morning and evening. We'll do this while standing on the stretch board, and you've killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Also, you could do it while washing up, or gents, while you're ironing your shirt, stand on the stretch board to do it. We stock the stretch board in clinic, but you can also get this online from places like Amazon. Try these 5 tips that I've given you for 2 to 3 weeks. If you find you're not having any improvement in the heel pain, or if you're finding your heel pain is getting worse, you must please make an appointment with your local podiatrist. Your podiatrist will be able to give you a thorough assessment to make sure that your heel pain is plantar fasciitis and not one of the many other causes of heel pain. Thank you very much, and I hope you found these tips useful.